Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to change receiver name in Western Union. The process is straightforward and effortless. Here, look for the option called Help and tap on it. Here you can see it is redirected to the Help Center. Here, write your problem. But if you take a look, you can find the option. Can I change the name on the money transfer? Tap on it. Here's the answer of my question. So here are two ways. The first one is significant change to your receiver name. You have to fill this self-service form. If the changes are minor, visit their app or website. You will show your recent money transfer activity. Tap on the transaction and look for the option Edit Receiver Name. But if the transaction has been completed, then you cannot change the receiver name there by following both method. But if the transaction is in progress, and you cannot find the option Edit Receiver Name, then you have to fill this form. You can also read here, if you cannot find the Edit Receiver Name link, fill out the self-service form, so tap on it. Here you can see on the top, Receiver Name Change Request Form. Here you have to write the MTCN of that transaction. Then fill your information, your first name, your last name, your global card, email address, and the phone number. Here you have to fill information like driving license, ID, passport, and other things. And here you can see the option receiver's name provided when initiating the money transfer. But here you have to write that name which you write wrong in the transaction, and here update correct receiver name. Here, write the correct name of that receiver, and be careful while writing the correct name because his name should be matched with his government ID card. After writing everything, scroll down. Here, tick on it. And also tick on I'm not Robert and submit form. And the Western Union will take action according to your form and will change the receiver name. And remember, you can change name on that transaction, which is in progress, not on completed transactions. So it was the basic way by which you can change your receiver name in Western Union.